Krishna, please.
But means that lesson is so big, so that's why the pages are also full and book is getting so
Yeah,
much
take a new
fast.
book. Take a new book.
Yes,
Sorry,
miss.
beta. It's 10th standard, no? So that's otherwise I wouldn't have given
Okay,
you that.
miss. Okay, miss.
Yes.
Miss, can I start?
Yes, yes.
Good morning. So today me and my team are going to explain you about one of the important part of grammar, that is active to passive voice. Everybody pay attention and listen carefully, as at last there will be an interactive session and we are going to ask you some questions. So please participate in that also. So let's start with the definition that is very important to be known. Active voice. When the subject of a sentence performs the verbs when the subject of a sentence performs the verb's actions, we say that sentence is in active voice. Sentences in active voice have a strong, direct, and clear tone. Example, the painter paints the house. In passive voice means that subject is a recipient of a verb's actions. We may know that the passive voice is weak, but it isn't that simple. Example, the house is painted by the painter. You might be
Now
thinking
we
why
will
this.
see the relationship of tense and active and passive voice tenses. In simple present tense, active voice will be I do my homework, whereas passive voice will be my homework is done. Present continuous tense, I am doing my homework. Passive voice, my homework is being done. Past simple tense, did my homework. My homework was done. Past continuous tense, I was doing my homework. My homework was being done. Present perfect tense, I have done my homework. My homework has been done. Past perfect tense, I had done my homework. My homework had been done. Future simple tense, I will do my homework. My homework will be done. Future being going to, I am going to do my homework. My homework is going to be done. Model, in model auxiliary, I must do my homework. My homework must be done. Model perfect, I should have done my homework. My homework should have been done. Thank you.
Rules of the voice. Rule number 1. The subject becomes the object and the object becomes the subject. Rule number 2. Active pronoun changes to passive pronoun like I changes to me. Rule number 3. Use by before subject in passive voice but not always. Rule number 4. Auxiliary verb is also used in passive voice.
So now let's see some examples. Active voice. Rohan cleans the house every Sunday. Passive voice. The house is been cleaned by Rohan every Sunday. Second, active voice. The two ministers are signing the treaty. Passive voice. The treaty is being signed by the two ministers. Active voice. The girl ate the apple. Passive voice. The apple has been eaten by the girl. So now we have seen some examples and definition of active and passive voice. Hope so. Hope so you all understood.
Done, Sushti?
No, miss. No, miss. So now I have to give you more examples. So I will ask you first. You tell me the answer. If it is right, then okay. But if it is wrong, no worries. I will tell you the right answer. So let's start with the first question. If anybody knows, they are free to answer. His grandfather looked after him. Anybody?
Can you repeat the question?
Yes, just a minute. His grandfather looked after him.
It will be he was looked after by his grandfather.
Yeah, that's right. Let's see the second. We are going to watch a movie tonight. We are going to watch a movie tonight.
Isha, give 5
The
points
mo
to Ashutosh
the
team also.
the
Oh,
movie is going to watch
The
by
movie
us.
is going to be watched tonight by us.
The movie is going to be watched by us tonight.
yeah, just a minute, miss. I'm giving points.
A movie is going to be watched tonight by us.
But why half of the class video is off? Isha, don't give pointers to those whose videos are off.
Okay, miss. Let's see the third example. Larry generously donated the money to homeless shelter. Larry generously donated the money to homeless shelter.
Ah, this is nice.
Money was generously donated to the homeless shelter by Larry.
Yeah, that's right. You can make statues out of clay. You can make statues out of clay.
Easy, easy.
Clay
Anybody?
can be used by you to make statues.
No, it's not the right answer.
You becomes what?
Okay, I will tell you the right answer.
Clay can be used by me to make statues.
No. Just
Instead,
listen
you
the
becomes
question.
what? If you want, write it down.
You can make statues out of clay.
Good, Isha. Very nice.
Okay, no worry. I will tell you. Its statues can be made out of clay. Statues can be made out of clay. Okay, next example. The salt water corroded the metal beams.
Easy,
The
easy.
salt water corroded the metal beams.
The metal beads were corroded by the salt water.
Yeah, that's right. Now let's see more example by Mihira.
So let's start. Sue changed the flat tire.
Isha, your team member video is only off.
Sorry, Mihira, please.
Ma'am, just a minute, okay? Alon.
You students you can write it down. They are giving, right? You can write it down, so it will be easy for you. Ah.
So the first example is Sue changed the flat tire.
Can you
The
repeat?
flat tire was changed by Shiv.
Okay, that's right. I'm arranging the chairs for the concert.
The chairs are being arranged by me for the concert.
Next, the company will hire new workers. Anyone other than Ashutosh, please.
Can you repeat the question?
Yeah, the chairs are being. Sorry. I'm
Ah,
arranging the chairs for the concert.
Nihya, repeat, repeat.
I am arranging the chairs for the concert.
The chair were arranged by me for the concert.
Right. The company will hire new workers.
1 minute, Nihya, 1 minute. Aisha.
Yes, ma'am.
From which group?
Slytherin.
The company will hire new workers.
New workers will be hired by the company.
Right. The directors will give you instructions.
The instructions will be given by the directors.
A little bit, right? Just add a few things in that. I'll repeat the sentence. The directors will give you instructions.
The instructions will be given by the director.
You're just missing one word.
The instructions will be given by the director to me.
No. Yes, Vaishnavi?
The instructions will be given to you by the director.
Right. We made a huge progress.
A huge progress was made by us.
Huge progress were made by us.
Right. Thank you.
Nice. Good, Nihya. Good.